Huntington disease is a progressive brain disorder caused by a defective gene on chromosome 4, one of 23 chromosomes that carry a person's entire genetic code. This defect is dominant, meaning that anyone who inherits it from parents with Huntington will eventually develop the disease. The defective gene code the blueprint for a protein called huntingtin. The huntingtin gene defect involves extra repeats of one specific chemical code of one small section of on chromosome 4. The normal gene includes 17 to 20 repeats, and the defect that causes Huntington disease includes 40 or more repeats. Genetic tests for Huntington disease measure the number of repeats present in an individual Huntington protein gene. Scientists don't yet understand how a few dozen extra repeats in each genetic blueprint lead to the devastating symptoms of Huntington disease. Researchers are eager to solve these mysteries to find the answer to Huntington. Symptoms of Huntington disease usually develop between age 30 and 50, but they can also appear as early as 2 or as late as 8. The symptom of Huntington disease is an uncontrolled movement of arms, legs, head, face, and upper body. It also causes a decline in thinking and reasoning skills, including memory, concentration, judgment, and ability to plan and organize. Huntington disease brain change leads to alteration in moods, especially depression, anxiety, and uncharacteristic anger and irritability. Another common symptom is obsessive-compulsive behavior, leading a person to repeat the same answer or the same activity over and over. A diagnostic genetic test is now available. The test can confirm that the defective gene for a Huntington protein is the cause of symptoms in people with suspect Huntington disease, and can detect the defective gene in people who don't yet have symptoms but are at risks because of parent has Huntington. Treatments focus on managing symptoms. A group of international experts recommend the following treatments as first-line strategies for 3 of the disease's most troubling symptoms. For chorea, for irritability and obsessive-compulsive. For chorea, or involuntary movements, some experts believe that beginning a treatment with an atypical antipsychotic drug, such as olanzapine, is best. Others are trying another type of drug called tetrabenazine. For severe anger and threatening behavior, experts agree that an atypical antipsychotic drug is the preferred approach, and for less severe non-threatening irritability, experts recommend first trying a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, SSRI, which is a type of antidepressant. And for obsessive-compulsive thoughts and actions, experts also recommend SSRI, the antidepressant, on the standard treatment for these symptoms. Huntington disease is caused by having a mutation in Huntington gene. So you can change your genes or prevent the disease for developing. Currently, there is a treatment that can slow down or stop the progression of Huntington.